Welcome back to day 33 of our Python Coding Challenge series. Today, we're tackling an interesting problem: writing a Python program to find the difference between the largest and smallest numbers in a list. In this tutorial, we'll guide you to identify the largest and smallest numbers in the list and calculate the difference. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this video offers valuable insights and practical coding techniques to enhance your Python skills. Input. The input will be a single line containing the comma-separated integers. Output. The output should be a single line containing the differences between the largest and the smallest numbers in the given list. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Join us as we unravel the complexities of Python programming and unlock new possibilities together. Watch now and elevate your coding skills with us.